Hello viewers, my heartfelt Independence Day greetings to all. I am Kirti, the student of RK's Apex Institute of English from 267th batch. Here in this video, we can see the importance of our national flag. If you watch it till the end, we can also know the definition of Indian. Being an Indian, we must know our own definition. Now, let me tell you a few lines about our national flag. Our national flag was designed by Sri Pingali Venkayya. The ratio of the width and length of the flag is 2:3. Our flag is horizontal tricolor of deep saffron at the top, white in the middle and the dark green at the bottom. The color saffron represents sacrifice, white represents the peace, nobility, and the green represents development, service. In the center of the white band, there is a navy blue color wheel with 24 spokes, which is called Dharma Chakra. It means availability of Dharma round the clock. Now, coming to the definition of Indian, we can become an Indian by two ways. One is default, another one is by design. By default means we got a birth in this country, we get a tag Indian by default. By design means with our heartfelt effort and keen interest in knowledge, we become an Indian. Indian in our Telugu language we call Bharatiyudu. Bha plus Ratiyudu. Bha ante velugu, kanti, జ్ఞానము. రతీయుడు అంటే వెలుగునందు, కాంతినందు, జ్ఞానమునందు ఎక్కువ ఆసక్తి కలవాడు. ఎంత ఆసక్తి అంటే అది లేకుండా జీవించలేనంత. అంటే జ్ఞానము పట్ల తనకున్న శ్రద్ధాభక్తులు కలిగిన వాడిని భారతీయుడు అంటారు. నౌ టెల్ మీ ద వ్యూవర్స్, వాట్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ ఇండియన్ we wish to become? Undoubtedly we wish to become by design, not by default. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for giving me this wonderful opportunity.